This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to use the drag and drop editor in Brevo. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, Brevo's drag and drop editor is a powerful tool that makes designing your campaigns both easy and intuitive. Let's dive into it and get you started on creating beautiful and effective marketing campaigns. First things first, you'll need to head over to Brevo's website, open your preferred web browser, and type in brevo.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option labeled Marketing in the navigation menu. Click on it to proceed. The marketing section is where you'll find all the tools you need to create and manage your campaigns. Next, you'll want to click on Campaigns. This area is specifically set up for you to manage and create all your marketing campaigns. You'll see a list of any existing campaigns you have here. If you're new to Brevo, this might be blank, but don't worry, we're going to change that shortly. Now it's time to select the campaign you want to work on. You'll see an edit icon next to each campaign on your list. Click on this icon for the campaign you wish to edit. If you're creating a new campaign, you'll want to select the option to create a new one, then follow the same steps to find the edit icon. This is your entry point into the design phase where all the creative magic happens. Once you've clicked the edit icon, look for the Start Designing button. Clicking this will take you into the design interface. Here is where Brevo's drag and drop editor really shines. It provides you with a user-friendly setup that simplifies the process of creating visually engaging content. Moving forward, you'll see an option to Start from Scratch. Click on it. This choice is perfect if you want complete control over the design and layout of your campaign. Starting from scratch allows you to tailor every element to your specific needs and preferences. If you prefer to use a template, Brevo also offers pre-designed options, but for now, we're focusing on creating a completely custom design. With these steps, you're now ready to explore the full potential of the drag and drop editor in Brevo. Don't be afraid to experiment with different elements like text boxes, images, and buttons. You can easily drag these components into your workspace and arrange them as you see fit. The editor is designed to be intuitive, so you can see changes in real time, making it simple to adjust and perfect your design as you go. Remember, the key to a successful campaign is not only in its design, but also in how it communicates your message. Make sure to keep your branding consistent and your message clear. Utilize the features Brevo provides to enhance your campaign's effectiveness, such as adding links, videos, or call-to-action buttons that encourage your audience to engage with your content. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on using the drag and drop editor in Brevo. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating impactful and visually appealing campaigns that resonate with your audience. Happy designing and stay creative.